Welcome to the SnowGo channel. Now, I'm going to hazard a guess. You've just clicked on this video because you've just got your skis out the bag, ready for your trip, and you've realised there's some nasty gouges in the bottom of them from your last run on the way back and the last time you went. Either because you took the road back to the hotel, or because you went a little bit off-piste and you smashed some rocks. I'm right, aren't I? I knew it. Well, you're in luck because I'm going to show you just how to fix those. Nice, easy base repairs. Simple tools that you need to get the job done. Get them skis looking nice and fresh again. Most importantly, making sure the gouges are all weather tight and these skis are going to be fresh to go for many more trips. So let's get on to it. I'll show you what you're going to need to get these bad boys looking fresh again.